She's crying over there.
Oh my god.
Oh, don't yell at me. I didn't do nothing. I pecked my ear.
She's yelling at it.
Oh, he just pooped all in my back.
Get him off.
Oh, that was gross. I got poop on my back.
It's all on your shirt.
Did it? Yeah, it did, didn't it?
It was all on your shirt.
Oh, God.
In your pants.
Fuck it. Jesus. All over the floor.
It's on your back. This thing should
The bird has diarrhea. Look, it's all over the chair.
Oh my god, it must be all over you.
It is. Turn around. Hold on, let me get this on video camera. Bird shit on my mother.
I hate that bird. He pecked my lip.
The guy told you not to touch him anymore.
No, he said.
Yeah,
Give me a
No,
kiss.
you already did, and I got bird shit all over me. Is it on my shorts?
Yeah, a little stain. Good bird.